Ayoko na. Hi, I'm Nancy.
Hi, I'm Nix.
I'm Cecil.
I'm Miggy.
I'm Bianca po.
I'm Anna. Mean to me, it means to me love. Siyempre, service sa mga anak ko. Diba?
Yes.
You express your love, diba? Since I love Mickey so much, because he is my baby bunso, I cook him a lot of food actually. Even if he doesn't request for me to cook him food, lagi ko yan pinababaunan.
Safe yung pagkain. Nakakainin nila. Ayoko kasi bumibili sila sa labas. Minsan may request sila. So, yun yung gagawin ko.
To be honest, sorry mom, yun nga, as I've said, I like also to buy food at the canteen sa school before. Kasi alam mo na, nakikiin sa mga friends, bumibili sila, so bumibili din ako. So, minsan di ko nauubos yung pabaon mo sa akin. Sorry.
Okay.
But I do appreciate
Alam ko naman.
it
I know naman, kasi inuuwi mo may laman pa.
I feel touched. So, imagine she has to wake up extra early to prepare food for us. And then, after that, she takes us to school. And then she goes to work. And then she picks us up. So, it's not an easy job to do everything all at once, diba? So, I appreciate that.
Thank you.
Lagi kong inuubos yung food. Kasi pag di ko inubos, lagot ako kay ma'am. First, kaya ako siya inubos kasi syempre pinaghirapan niya yun, di ba? And of course, gusto mong, the least I can do is ubusin ko siya na para mapakita ko naman na, you know, I appreciate what my mom did for me. Syempre, hindi lahat ng parents, ng moms especially, nagpapabaon. Uso yung si Yaya ang nagbabaon. Or kung magbabaon man, madalas fried or canned goods. So, baga flex sa akin yung fact na sinigang ang ulam ko, gawa pa ng nanay ko, di ba?
Yes po, of course. Kinakain ko yung baon ko palagi. Happy and I feel blessed to have a mom na nagpe-prepare sa akin ng food kasi I know that not a lot of mom can do that. She does it very well and full of love.
Okay. What is your favorite memory of us together and why does it stand out to you?
Trip natin as a whole family. I became a single mom.
And it felt so productive kasi nag-DIY lang kami. So, it was so fun and exciting, di ba? Wala tayong alam dun sa lugar. But we were doing everything by ourselves.
So, memorable rin siya kasi nililigaw kami ni Nix. Pero, hindi ko malimutan yung confidence niya in navigating. Tapos, hindi pala niya talaga alam saan siya magpupunta.
Miggy was bullied. So, ang gusto niya, every time na lalabas siya sa classroom, ang unang-una niyang makikita, yung mukha ko, na nandun sa waiting area.
Binibigyan ng burger yung anak nila, di ba?
Pag nanonood tayo ng K-drama.
What's one trait of mine that you hope you inherit and one trait you hope you don't?
Mas maging masipag pa ako. Bilib ako sa'yo kasi kaya mong gawin lahat ng gawaing bahay. Ayoko hindi.
Ingatan
naku,
mo.
marami.
Medyo
Hindi,
mag-ingat
joke
ka dyan.
Sensitive.
Ako?
Oo.
Talaga?
I'm glad na hindi ako sobrang sensitive and I have the ability to stand my ground.
How confident you are in a good way. Konti lang. Konti lang sa temper.
So, gusto ko ma-inherit yung pagka-strong niya when I'm dealing with things. That one trait naman that I hope I don't. And I think na-inherit ko na siya. Careful! Yung temper niya. He has that temper and I think nakuha ko yun sa kanya. I can be very short-fused. So,
Not true.
sana mawala yun.
Can you recall a time when you felt particularly proud of me? What happened?
We are still at elementary school. My mom would always be there for us. At saka nung time na yun kasi parang tatlo lang kami nun sa house since my dad is working. So she's the one packing our lunches, preparing us for school. Sa mga assignments, yung tulungan niya yung pag-travel pa namin papuntang school. I'm very proud of her for doing everything for her children.
Sa band, vocalist siya. So, yung performance niya as the vocalist, ang galing. So, hindi ko yun nagawa nung bata ako. Tapos, nung nagawa niya at ng kuya niya, ang saya, ang sarap-sarap sa feeling. Tapos, nananalo pa siya. So, yung mga bagay na kahit hindi ko nagawa, tapos nakita ko nagagawa niya. Ganun na lang talaga akong thank you, Lord.
Alala mo nung na yung jam, yung Jesuit Athletic Meet. Nagpunta tayo Cebu. So, nagpunta kaming Cebu and I had the track competition at that time. And kaya ako proud nun kasi ikaw lang yung nanay nun.
Ako, maraming instances na proud ako sa kanya. Imagine mo, sabi ng doctor sa atin, you will not make it in big school. But you did. Miggy was diagnosed with ADHD at a very young age of 6. The doctor said, he will not make it in school. He will not finish college. And I was so devastated because Miggy is my only son. He is my baby bunso. And so, sabi ko sa sarili ko, hindi ako papayag sa sinabi ng doctor na yun. Doktor lang siya. I'm so proud of you. I love you.
Thank you. Love you too.
Aww. Kiss. Thank you.
Finally flew for the first time abroad to be a flight attendant and to be independent.
Nabasa niya yung blog ng mom ko. Because my mom, she writes blogs. That specific moment, in-approach ako nung colleague ko. And she said, she was so moved from the blog. Yeah, she was so moved. As in, naiyak siya kasi nakarelate siya as a single mom. And I think that really made me proud kasi parang, wow, nakaabot sa colleague ko yung mom ko. And just by writing those small things, you touched other people's hearts. And that makes me proud. It made me realize also na parang, wow, my mom used to do this and she's still doing it. She's always multitasking, juggling work, preparing food for us, di ba, making sure we're okay in the house, at madami pang iba. Galing mo pala, ma'am. Paturo naman.
It feels nice. Actually, I think this is the first time since COVID, kasi nga COVID, na binigyan ko ng parang baon si mama. It's often overlooked yung pagbabaon, but I think it's one of the most meaningful things that a mom can do.
Ganito yung feeling ni mami pag gumagawa siya ng baon namin. Yung nag-iisip din siya kung ano yung kukunin niya, kung ano yung magandang plating sa mga bento box. So napaka creative work.
Mom, why? This comes with your bento box.
Okay.
I wrote a letter.
Okay.
Just keep doing what you're doing. If you feel like what you're doing isn't enough, actually it's more than enough. Kasi how can you manage taking care of 4 kids by yourself? So yun pa lang, you're really a super mom and super dad to me. So I appreciate everything that you've done for us. And yeah, that's it. I love you, Mom. Happy Mother's Day.
I love you.
Yan,
Dali,
may letter ako. Thank you kasi hindi ako madaling alagaan. Alam ko yun. You know, me being a child with ADHD, alam ko na hindi ako madaling alagaan. And alam ko na hindi biro yung patience and understanding na meron ka. So, bilang anak, mama's boy nga, di ba? Proud ako. Happy Mother's Day.
Ito, it's a simple letter, pero yung Happy Mother's Day, Mami. And I'll always be thankful to have you as my mom. And I read this one quote recently, and it says here, my gosh. Thank you for the love that doesn't make me feel lonely. So, happy Mother's Day. Love you, Mom.